चल दूसरा बाबू.
Oh, this is just the pani puri. Oh, the electricity is gone. Messenger is here. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. So guys, good morning, and today is 1st December, the most awaited month of the year. I just woke up, and today I'm at Hriday's room because Hriday was crying in the night. He got scared and then he had to sleep with baby. So I had to come here because we all don't fit in the bed, and I need sleep because I have two shows today. And as I told you in the last vlog as well, December month is very hectic for me, and I need my sleep no matter what, because this is where is my prime time, and I need my complete rest. And without rest, then I am not fresh for the show, right? So now I just woke up. I'll go freshen up quickly, have my breakfast, get ready, and then leave. My first show is in Kalyan, so I need to go and travel all the way there. And it's a baptism function first, and then I have a wedding to MC in the evening. So a long day ahead, but December month, it's fun. And I hope this month brings in a lot of happiness to everybody watching this vlog. So बघू आजचा दिवस कसा जातो. Charlie wants to go out first.
It's all set.
Chalu, come here.
So people are usually know what I'm wearing in the evening now.
Chalo, bye.
I have to take in the house keys. I need the car keys. This fellow.
Please keep eating, okay?
Yeah, of course.
Don't skip any meal. Chalu, wait, babu. Bye.
Sure. Bye.
Bye, take care. Rida is going to drop you, or what?
I needed that.
Rida, call the lift. You have to carry your footwear, no?
हाँ, बहुत चीजें लेने के लिए आज. Luckily I kept my comparing bag inside yesterday only.
Yeah.
I wanted to keep this also yesterday, but then वो actor वाला कैसे होता है? I have to go and wash the car now. Sure, bye.
Bye, baby. Love you.
I love you too. Bye.
Bye. Message me, okay, whenever you're free.
Hey cutie. Hey. Not looking only. Not a morning dog. Hey. I guess this one's too good. Come. Come on, they go. Ooh.
There they are.
आप जाओ ऊपर. एक ये है है मैडम है. बेबी गिव हिम द ग्रे सूट फॉर ड्राई क्लीनिंग. ग्रे सूट. कम there. Lot of things to carry. So for breakfast I didn't have anything. I just had a lemon tea. I don't know, I didn't feel like eating much. And lemon tea is way filling. it actually kills your hunger. So in case I feel hungry any time ahead, I'll drop in to have something, not a problem as such. As you know, I am off to Kalyan. It's an hour's journey from here, and now I need to first go for a car wash. After that only I can go to the venue, because I don't want to go in this dirty car. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I'll go and find a car wash first. See you.
हे घ्या दादा. ह्याच्यावर ना असे बारीक बारीक डॉट आले, काहीतरी पडलंय, तर ते ड्राय क्लिनिंग करायचे. हातावर पण आहेत. नाही, हातावर आहेत. हे बघा खाली. हां हां हां, थँक्यू. I've just woken up. Now let me go and check if baby has left. He's there only still. And Hriday is here. He's waiting to say bye to Dada. Hi baby.
Hi.
Pillow.
Mama, do you have fever or something?
Me or you?
Me.
No, darling. Why?
Just asking
No, you don't have.
because I feel some gases there in my stomach.
Since I have to travel a lot today, I'll stop in for petrol now only, so then later on I don't need to run helter-skelter for the same. So luckily I found a place, and there's only this one car ahead of me, so not wasting much time even in filling petrol. Full? नहीं, normal petrol. Full? हाँ, full. नॉर्मल है ना पेट्रोल? बॉस नॉर्मल ना? नॉर्मल पेट्रोल है ना? नॉर्मल पेट्रोल है ना? फुल करना.
So now I'm making sunny side up for Hriday. थोडंसं त्याच्यात पेपर जास्त पडलं माझ्या हातात, बट इट्स ओके, बिचारा खाईल. Here it is. And along with that we have some pav. Rida, your breakfast is ready. Okay.
Mama,
Take out lemon.
I do not need a pow, but it's a
No, eat with pav, okay? Then your stomach will be full. Okay, enjoy what you're watching.
Spider-Man.
Okay, eat quickly. You have to go for your classes. Okay? झाला नाश्ता बाबू?
Yes.
बरं 1 मिनिट हा बॉटल ठेवूया आपण चल बाय टेक केअर
Bye.
लव यू आली बघ लिफ्टला बोलव बटन प्रेस कर बाय डार्लिंग
So I've just reached the venue. अंदर पार्किंग अलाउड नहीं है ना? अंदर गाड़ी का पार्किंग अलाउड नहीं है ना? बाहर के चलेगा, कुछ होएगा नहीं ना? चलिए। अभी ये वेन्यू किधर है? ऊपर है क्या? 7वें वाले पे? अच्छा, ठीक है. So I've just reached the venue. There's no parking inside the school. It's only on the outside. So I have to go now, and it's on the 7th floor. I didn't know this. Let's see. Crowd is 250 for today. So getting a banquet hall for 250 crowd is a big thing. This is actually a school, St. Lawrence School in Kalyan. I'll just show it to you. You can see children playing there and everywhere. This is, I guess, the hall how it is. This is the school entrance, and this is how they have decorated the entrance for everybody to enter. It's good. Straight towards the lift. Lift is here. Okay, good. Automatic doors. Nice. 7th floor. Clicked. अरे बंद हो जा रहा है. कितना टाइम लगता है? Very slow in closing. In this, I can't even come to know which floor am I on. Acha, 6th. Now it's the 7th floor. Oh.
7th floor.
Oh, lovely. Thanks for telling me. Oh. St. Louis International School Auditorium. Oh, Sharad Pawar had come here. Wow. I'm driving road trip on 20. Oh, this is just a year old. Oh, and the banquet looks good. Check out today's decor. Clavia is the girl's name. So right now the electricity is gone, and because of that, all the lights, the AC, the sound system, everything is shut. Look at that. And that's the reason why I always suggest it is the best to go for the generators, because generators will not give you this problem. At least it's fixable. Electricity, depending on the service provider, you don't know when it's gonna come. And now that's what the scene is. We are waiting for the electricity to come back. In case it comes in well and good. If not, I don't know what are we going to do. But remember, always to keep a generator. Always to keep a generator. So guys, I just got done with the event. It was a nice, sweet function to MC. And now I need to travel from Kalyan to Malad. It is 3:15 right now, and it's saying I should reach there in 2 hours. So let's see how it goes. It's freaking hot as. So 2 hours journey from here to Malad. Let's see how it goes. This is what happens. Ambulance wants to come and it's coming at a very wrong place. And this fellow has parked this God knows how. How will it go? And this fellow has parked in a very weird place. Can't like him. So guys, I just reached the other venue at Malad. It's a valet parking, so they have taken the car to park. I'm carrying all my things. I have to change here somewhere. I'm really tired. It was a 2 hours journey. बहुत थक गया मैं. Hey, both the lifts are opened up. 5th floor. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'll just keep all the things and just go and grab a bite somewhere. If not, I will order it from Swiggy. Let's see how it works. Too tired. I have come way too early at the venue, honestly. But this venue is beautiful in Malad. It's called as a Golden Leaf Banquets. Good venue, decent venue. But look at the decor. I'll show it to you once it's ready, of course. And I'm way too hungry. So I've ordered food from a place. I've ordered for some shawarmas. I know baby, auntie and uncle, if they are watching this, will get angry that I've had shawarma. But that is a soul food to me. And this shawarma I used to always have when I used to stay in Amboli. I used to order it from Malad all the way to Amboli. So abhi idhar aaya hu, bhook laga hai, so might as well have that shawarma. So once it comes, I'll show it to you, of course. So till my food order comes, I'll go and change the sherwani to pink and get it done now. So I've changed to the pink sherwani. I'm way too tired, but once I have my shawarma, the energy will automatically come in.
सो आता संध्याकाळ झाली आहे आणि मी आणि हृदय दोघंही झोपलो होतो. आम्ही जेवणसुद्धा घेतलं. आता उठलो आहे. नाव विल हॅव सम आय विल हॅव सम टी. हृदय विल हॅव हिज मिल्क. बट मीनवाईल रिच इज ऑन हिज शोज. तुम्ही पाहिलाच असेल व्लॉगमध्ये. बट आम्ही जे सामान आणलेलं ते हृदयला अजून दाखवलं नाही आहे. त्याची जी स्टेशनरी आणि बुक्स घेतलेले. सो नाव आय एम गोइंग टू शो दॅट टू हिम अँड वी विल अरेंज इट अँड कीप इन हिज कबर्ड. हृदय सिट हिअर, कम. बघा हे बघ हृदा, हे बुक्स ठेव. ओके, हिंदी मराठीचे आहेत, मॅथ्सचे आहेत आणि ह्याचे पण आहेत, काय बोलतात, रेड अँड ब्लू. ठीक आहे, आता आपण हे आतमध्ये ठेवू. पण मला दाखवायचं होतं अजून काय काय आणलं. एवढे शार्पनर्स आहेत, बट स्टील आय ओनली कुड नॉट रेजिस्ट, सो आय गॉट दिस वन शार्पनर. काढ तिकडे काय ठेवलंय ते. पेन्सिल्स आहेत. अजून पण असतील पेन्सिल्स. ते मोल्ड आहे ते इथे. माझं पण बनायचं आहे तर ते मोल्ड आहे. हे सगळं सामान आता तुझ्या कपाटामध्ये लावून ठेव. ठीक आहे, चलो. सो आम्ही जस्ट हे ओपन केलं आहे आणि इट्स ड्युअल ॲज इट रीड्स. इट हॅज अन इरेझर अँड शार्पनर बोथ. आणि ह्याची MRP आहे अराउंड 15 रुपीज, बट सिन्स वी गॉट इट फ्रॉम APMC वी गॉट इट फॉर 10 रुपीज. शो बेबी. Yes, so this is the eraser.
And inside, and this is the hole to sharpen.
Yeah, open the sharpener and show.
Okay. So you can see the slime.
They will not be able to see.
So you can see that line.
Let me try. Yeah. So this line you're talking about.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then what you have to do, you have to put your nail inside that, on that, and then
Slowly open it.
try to open it. Just pull it. And then you throw it out, throw out all of the shavings.
Good. Give. Liked it?
Yes. Mama, some of my classmates use this eraser. This is an eraser.
Eraser. Yeah, that's what they have just kept a funny name, which means a combination of
Two.
eraser and sharpener. Eraser. So funny. Chalo.
So my Swiggy guy is about to come in 2 minutes from now, so I've come down to collect it because I'm sure for him it's difficult to go. They won't send him on top basically because for obvious reasons it's a banquet hall. They won't allow any Zomato Swiggy guy on top. So I'm waiting now. Where is he? Here he comes. My couple just arrived. So they have just gone inside. Everybody can see that. There they are. They have gone to the rooms to go and obviously freshen up. Where is my shawarma guy? Why hasn't he come? God knows where he is. Guys, I was down for good 15 minutes, but my Swiggy guy didn't come. I don't know where is he lost, and I was too tired and I was feeling way too hot, so I came up. Now I've been trying to call him. He's not answering my call. Kya pata kya scenes hai. And I want my shawarma right now, but then the couple also has come up, so I had to rush up. Now let's see what happens. If he comes on time, well and good. If not, then I'll have to have it later. This is the decor for the evening show, and that is the wedding reception. Too beautiful and too elegant, I must say. You make the announcement of the chart counters and the entire crowd from here goes here. That's how it is. Chart plays a very important role at a wedding reception, but especially with the ones who have attended the nuptials. So I didn't get the opportunity to have shawarma, but I can go and have some chaat, right? That's what I'm going to do. Guys, I don't usually like chaat at weddings, but believe me, at Golden Leaf, the Pani Puri and this Dahi Balla, wow, मजा आ रहा है मेरे को. अच्छा मेरा shawarma आया नहीं. Good. I got the refund by the way, but it's okay. Rather than spending $300 there, this is worth it. Lovely. Yeah. Keep on joining. It's good out anywhere. Healthy.
So most of my day has come to an end now आणि मला आता फक्त कपडे सुकत घालायचे आहेत. बट आय हॅव समथिंग फॉर यू गाईज टू सी. ओके, बोलतात ना मदर्स लॅप काय असतं ते तुम्ही आता पहा. ही आहे मम्मा. हा मम्माचा एक बाबू, हा मम्माचा दुसरा बाबू. आणि आता आय एम सो शुअर जे जस्ट आता तो पण इथेच कुठेतरी असता. जस्ट लुक ॲट ऑल माय बेबी स्लीपिंग. कोको इज मिसिंग, बट हे असं आहे. Oh, moments.
Just got done with the show and it was rocking. Correct, Rohit? You enjoyed it?
Yes.
मजा आया ना? बहुत मजा आया. 11 o'clock music shut, so we couldn't extend it even by a minute. That's how the rules are. and we follow the rules. Now we'll have dinner. Neil has joined as you all saw earlier. So we'll have dinner and then I'll drop him home, and then from there I'll go to my place. What's for dinner and all that. I'm not feeling like eating. I already had such amazing starters. Ate way too many, and of course the chaat. Amazing. मेरा पेट बहुत भर गया है. I don't think I'll be able to have. Maybe I'll look for some pan if I get on the way. Let's see. So Neil, what's up? What news? Messenger is here. Messenger is here. How's the food? Mast tha na? Maja hai. Golden Leaf food is amazing. Too good. Car is here. He will be joining us. भैया डिक्की खोलो ना वो ये. I'll just keep all my things. इधर है इधर है. Neil, wait, I have to wear my shoes. This goes in the relax scenes, otherwise you want water?
No, there is. Keep one in the car. कार की मैंने
गाड़ी में भी है ऑलरेडी. चलो let's see. So guys, I have just reached Amboli. We were looking out for a place to eat. Unfortunately, we didn't find any, and then we just parked somewhere in Amboli and then ordered for the shawarma. Neil does not want to have, but I'm hungry and I want to have. So I'm having it without him, but he's fine it seems. You're okay now if I eat? Yeah. I'll tell you, this is the shawarma that I always used to have when I was in Amboli. So I couldn't resist. So I just got it. So let's enjoy it. And they give this pickle, which I always like. I adore it. वाह इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ना नील.
याला वे डिस लोकल ना लोकल ना ना.
यस 15 मिनट में आया रे. टू गुड गाइस, टू गुड. मजा आया.
मेमोरीज.
सो जस्ट रिचचा फोन आला की त्याचा शो पण संपला आहे. सो ही शुड बी बॅक होम. आणि मी ते शेंगदाणे भाजून घेतले आहेत. मी बनवते शेंगदाण्याचं कूट बिकॉज उद्या ओके लाईट इज उद्या मला साबुदाण्याची खिचडी बनवायची आहे. तर आता रात्रीची जेवणाची तयारी सुरू आहे. कुक्को 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 काय झालं? What you licking the phone for? Coco, what happened? What happened? Come. What happened? Ole, माझा राजा तो राजा माझा राजा. Giving. कोकोला इथे असे लाड केलेले आवडतात. करते है. इथे करते. ये बसते खाली. ये बसली तुझ्यासाठी. ये माझा गुड्डू तू गुड्डू. झालं. गुड्ड्या. हाँ इथे करते. बस आता बस. चला मम्माला काम करायचंय. बस. मिक्सर लावायचंय पिल्लू. बरं अजून करते. आ आ आ गुज्जू गुज्जू. बस आता. चला बाय. हात धुवून घेते आता मी घेतली एक मोठी प्लेट आणि हे सगळे शेंगदाणे ह्याच्यात एका साईडला. आपण अशी साल काढून घ्यायची. बऱ्यापैकी सालं आता निघाली आहेत. आणि आता द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑल्सो आणि द वर्स्ट पार्ट ऑल्सो. वेट, आपण पहिला हे साईडला करून घेऊया. व्हेरी सिम्पल. सगळे सालं खाली पडतात. एक फूक मारायची फक्त. सो आता मी मिक्सर लावणार आहे. हे सगळे जे शेंगदाणे आहेत दाखवते. जास्त केलं तर त्याचं पीनट बटर होतं. आय शो यू. मला अशी कोर्सली ग्रेनच हवी होती. जर अजून फिरवलं ना तर त्याचं पीनट बटर होऊन जातं. ते पण मी खूप एक्सपेरिमेंट करून झाली आहे. चलो, वी आर ऑल रेडी फॉर साबुदाणा खिचडी टुमॉरो. इट्स रेडी. प्रशांत कॉर्नरचा डब्बा आहे जो मी रियूज केला आहे.
So guys, I just reached home. Extremely tired. My entire body is aching. I guess I'll need a massage now, but nobody is there to give massage. I have to go tomorrow to a guy and get my entire body massage. Today's events were amazing. Morning amazing, evening though was completely lit. What a crowd, maja aaya. I guess now I'll just go and doze off to sleep. I have no strength to even change. So guys, I'll be ending the vlog here. असा होता आजचा आमचा दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.